Hi, everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the growth of True Ones simply by subscribing, making sure to hit that notification bell, and not forgetting to thumbs up. Okay, guys. This is always exciting when the mystery bags become available, but I'm going to show you a couple of things that I look for when I go in to see if I am interested in this mystery bag. Now, this time around, I saw it in the shopper because, as I shared with you, every day I'm going into the shopper because during the mega drop shop, they keep adding new deals. All right, so let's go in and see what is available today. So currently, the Ole Hendrickson, which I did get for myself, which we'll have on the channel because I did get some tracking and it shipped, that kit is actually on its way. A couple of people wrote to me, and I want to make sure that everybody knows this as well about this kit. Don't be confused when they're saying sample sizes. Sample sizes in the IPSY world is not what we are used to when we hear sample sizes. The sample sizes that are in this Ole Hendrickson kit on the Sephora website are their mini size of the product. And those mini sizes on Sephora are $20 for one of them. The other one is, I think, $18, and the last one isn't even available in the mini size. It's only available in the full size as a 1 ounce, which is $60, and the size that we're getting in this kit is half an ounce. So that alone, just on the minis, is over $70 on those minis. So please don't get confused when you think you're seeing sample sizes and not full sizes. They are on the Sephora website in the retail world. All right? Now, in reference to the mystery items, you will see here they have a few of them. The first one here, they're saying it is from February 2023 Mystery Glam Bag. That is the style of the bag. It doesn't mean that the items inside were mystery items from that year. What it is that is the bag that we were getting in February of 2023. They're giving us the option for this mystery bag as well as the Glam Bag Plus bag. When they do the Glam Bag Plus bag, those are going to be full sizes. When you see the Glam bags, those are always going to be the deluxe sample sizes. The other thing that I want to share with you is here. When you go into it, and it'll show you right here that the retail value the retail value of this would be $68, and they're giving it to us for $14. Plus, you're still going to be paying that $1.99 handling fee. It ships for free, but they charge that fee. But when you click on it to go in, this is when you'll know. And I share this with you when I actually open up my mystery bags on the channel. This is how I get the information down here where it says on the bottom, you could score, and I'm hoping the camera's picking this up, Love and Craft Beauty and this LXMI. So you know for sure at least 2 of the items in the bag are going to be these items. That's why when I open up my mystery bags here, I say to you, if and when you go in, it doesn't say these 2 items, it means your bag that you're getting is going to be completely different than the bag that I just opened up on my channel. That is what is important for you to check. So if those 2 items are not of interest to you, then to me, I would pass and go on and look at what the next bag has to offer. So now we're going to go into the one that is the full size. Now the full size one is a $30, and then they charge that $1.99, but this one is saying it has a value of $105.50. And this one, they're saying you could score But what I'm telling you is usually when they mark these two items down there, my experience has been at least these two items are the brands that are in my bag. This is the NYX Professional Makeup as well as Bubble Bar. So I already have the actual bags. So to me, that is what I look for in the mystery bags, unless the item underneath are brands that I'm really excited about. So on this one, it's saying it's the May 2021 Glam Bag. This is going to be the deluxe sample sizes because it's $14. The retail on this is going to be $63.77. And the two brands that they have here is IPSY Beauty and the V Cosmetic. The V Cosmetic is a brand that I really have been enjoying their blushes as well as their lip products. And in the bags that I'm still waiting for this month, I'm supposedly getting an under eye corrector from that brand. This is the one that I ended up picking up for myself because, as I share with you all the time, it's not about the products in reference to this area here. Is what is exciting me is this bag. This was a Glam Bag X bag that I didn't choose for myself because I chose a product instead of the bag. When we used to get the Glam Bag X, they sometimes gave us the option of the bag. And if they didn't, you were able to purchase it usually in the add-ons. I didn't do this with this bag, and I always was kicking myself. And in the past, they used to give us the mystery bags they used to give us the high-end bags that used to be either in the Ultimate or the Glam Bag X in the mystery bags. And I haven't seen that in a long time. So when I saw this, I clicked on it to see what the items were going to be. This is also $30 because it's 5 full-size items. And this has $110.97 value. But what is intriguing me on this one is it had also Yensa as well as Dose of Colors, and both of those are brands that I have an interest in, but more importantly it really is all about the bag for me on this one here. And simply what they're saying is the May mystery bag includes 5 total surprise full-size items. They may contain aerosol products. Please do not leave it in direct sunlight. All of that they put on every single one. It does not mean you're going to get an aerosol. But this is the first time that I've been seeing on all of these bags that they're saying limited 1 bag per order. So hopefully these mystery bags will last a little bit longer because I guess others have purchased multiples in these mystery bags. And then the last mystery bag here, remember, it's saying July of 2021. It is just the actual style of the bag that is that date. And this one is saying it has a $36 value for the $14. And the 2 brands that they are saying could be in this box is First Aid Beauty and Kenzie. And Kenzie for me has always been in the past a perfume, and it's usually a sweeter perfume. So those are all in how I shop my mystery bags. I just was shocked that there were so many because just over the weekend they had only one, and it was this first one here that was the February one. And when I went in, it actually, within a half an hour, it disappeared. But I wasn't interested in it because I already had those bags. So this one here that I'm interested in is the one that I just shared with you. Also, the other ones that they have added into where I tell you to check every day in the shopper, they've added today these beauty routine bundles. And this is early in the day, so they might be adding more later on. But I just wanted to make sure that you guys saw these as well, because this is also what is new this time around, and these are also phenomenal deals. You're getting to know exactly what's in the amount that you're going to be getting. So for this $11.99, you're getting $75 worth of value. And when you click on the picture, you will be able to see all the information on every single one of these. So I just wanted to do a quick video in reference to the mystery bags, but these other bundles I think are absolutely exciting as well because you're getting a large amount of products as well as value. And then they have some really ones that are expensive here. That looks like it has a travel bag in it. It has a bathrobe. I have never seen anything like this on IPSY before. So this is always really exciting to be able to share because over the weekend, they only had the ones starting on Friday, which were the best of the bundles. And as you can see here, there's only a couple of those left. So wanted to make this video to be able to share with you guys about the mystery bags and the one that I'm getting and the reason why, and also to share with you about the Ole Hendrickson, the edit, because I found that I was writing back in the comments a lot about people thinking that they weren't interested because of the sample sizes. And I wanted to make sure that you guys understood that it wasn't sample sizes. I try my best to do as much research as I can and share it with you guys. But please don't get, in IPSY world, sample is in this area here for that one is truly a mini in the retail world, which if it's in the retail world, then you know that it is of value. And I wanted to make sure that you guys knew that as well. Please make sure to share in the comments if you're interested in the mystery bags. And if you're watching my videos, please take a second to leave a comment, even just to say hi, because that shows also on YouTube that we are communicating with each other. And I appreciate so much, because that's my world with you guys. So if you don't respond there, and only when I do my giveaways that you take the time to leave a comment, I really prefer when you guys take the time to also share with me in the comments during my regular videos as well. All right, take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I always answer my comments. So I appreciate it so much when you communicate with me through the comments. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye for now.